Hello friends, welcome to SSDN Technologies. Today we will discuss about cloud computing. Let's have a look at today's agenda. What is cloud computing? Let us understand cloud computing, benefits of cloud, service model of cloud computing, organizations which are hiring for cloud and salary of the top organizations. Before we start, if you like to know more about AWS and Microsoft Azure, you can check the link given in the description box. What is cloud? It is the delivery of computing services such as server, software, storage, database management, analytics and intelligence over the internet rather than local with pay-as-you-go services. Let us understand this with an example while looking at the benefits of these. This is Siddharth. He wants to build an e-commerce site where various sellers can sell their products across the nation. Siddharth wants to build a network and also that his website will never go down. Let us understand this with a scenario. In first case, Siddharth built its own server, but here are two major aspects which he could consider: expansion or usage. He is not sure how big or small the network is. Maybe he needs to expand the network very soon, or maybe if he fails, the entire investment is zero. He must hire someone who will manage this network and secure this network from hacking. So there is a need of cloud. In cloud you can expand or contract the network as per your requirement. So the initial cost is less and the first benefit, it is cost effective. Even if the traffic is more, you don't need to take the stress as cloud services is provided by Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. So the security is not an issue as these are responsible for monitoring and maintaining the servers. The cloud is more secure. We can count it as the next benefit of the cloud. The next problem is the storage of the data. The local database may be crashed or data is lost, but cloud provides the better security to your data as compared to the local server. Even the speed of the data processing is more, and this even eliminates the cost of buying hardware and space requirement for the same. So the Siddharth now prefer the cloud for these reasons. With one of the major benefit, also he can access this data from anywhere in the world. The cloud gives him more time to focus on his business with less investment. Now we will look at the type of cloud deployments. Number 1, public cloud. In this, data are created and stored on third-party servers. This type of cloud services is provided on a network for public use. Customers have no control over the location of the infrastructure. It is perfect for the organization which has growing and fluctuating demands. Private cloud. It is used by standalone organizations. The information can be accessed by clearly defined persons and prevent the general public from using it. They prevent the data and the security breach. Amazon, IBM provide private cloud solutions. Community cloud. In this, several organizations with similar needs share the infrastructure and related resources such as banks, government organizations. This is suited for the organization with similar privacy and infrastructure requirement. Hybrid cloud. It comprises the feature of the private, public and community cloud as per the requirement of the organization. This improves the security and privacy and also enhance the scalability and flexibility. Now let's have a look at the service models. IaaS. Infrastructure as a service. As we have seen in case of Siddharth, the Siddharth, instead of setting up its own server, take the stress of managing and monitoring it, he rent the server from Amazon or Microsoft and pay as you go basis. This is known as IaaS. The next is platform as a service. In this, the cloud provided will take care of your infrastructure need as well as need related to OS and runtime. You will have to manage the application or you have to develop the software using programming tools and data of the application. The last is SaaS, software as a service. In this, everything is managed by the cloud provider and the client just have to manage the website and enter the data on the website, else everything will be managed by the cloud provider. So this is all about cloud computing. Now we will look at some of the top organizations and salary they are offering. But before, we will look on the career path of the professional in the cloud computing. There are various certifications offered by AWS, Microsoft, Azure. You can check these in detail by the link given in the description. In general, we have foundational, associate and professional level of certifications available. The average salary is 7.51 lakh per annum. Let's look at the salaries of the top organizations. Entity Data 4.14 lakh, TCS 4.51 lakh, Capgemini 4.71 lakh, Accenture 6.79 lakh, IBM 7.46 lakh, Amazon 10.13 lakh, Nevio Technologies 12.11 lakh. So if you want to become cloud professional, you can join SSDN Technologies.